The third step for SEO is off-page SEO. Off-page SEO is everything you do outside of your website. What can I do outside? It's simply sharing your website on social media. How does it work? It will give social signals which Google will crack for your website, and it will also see if people are sharing on social media, and hence traffic will come from social media. So search engines will see how much people are interacting with your website on social media. Other important factors include backlinks. What are backlinks? It's simply any website that is linking to your website, or it's a link created when one website links to another. If there are more backlinks in your website, it will tell Google and search engines that this website is very important and it has a good information. To build backlinks, you need to send cold emails to other websites and exchanging or buying links in order to get high rank on Google or build them organically. Another factor is analytics. You need to always update your website to decrease bounce rate and increase session duration. Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors that leave a web page without taking any action. Second lesson is how to rank number 1 on Google. Do check out the next video, but don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.